Hi guys! It's Ate Queeny and welcome to my channel. Today is Monday and every Monday I'll be uploading makeup tutorials and mommy vlogs. Hence the hashtag every Monday is Mommy Vlog Monday and Makeup Monday. So I hope that you like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe at i-click na din ang notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga happenings here on my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I did this look. Hi guys! So magsa-start na tayo. When you put on makeup, always start with a fresh, clean face. Dapat nakapag-toner na, well moisturized na ang skin nyo. At one of the first things I put on also is the lip balm. I use this Vaseline Lip Therapy and cacao butter. Yeah, cacao besh. So, ang ating unang-unang gagawin ay maglagay ng primer. Marami ng fine lines besh. Ayan. So, yung primer ay nagsismoothen ng face natin sa mga pores dyan, na mga malalaki. Ayan. Para poreless ng ating dating. So, use any primer that you have. For the foundation, I'll be using this Dream Velvet Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation in the shade Nude 40. Huwag natin kalimutan ang ating leeg. It's very important that your face and your neck has the same color. Kasi parang espasol dito pagkatapos sa leeg parang ewan lang, no? So that's it for our foundation. I like the finish of this foundation kasi very matte siya. And I have a very oily skin. So if you have oily skin, dapat matte ang gagamitin yung foundation. Next will be our concealer. I'll be using this concealer that I bought from Yoyoso ata. This is the Kill Cover Concealer na gusto ko din. Pero I'm still looking for a better concealer. Ito, napaka-moors lang ito ng mga besh. Alam nyo na, si Ate Queeny, very kuripot mom. So, kung ano lang yung meron ako, besh, yun lang yung ginagamit ko. Alam ko may mas marami pang magandang concealer dyan or may maraming makeup products na mga magaganda. Pero, saving is the best policy. Okay? Huwag tayong gastos ng gastos para sa mga makeup products. Bitter. Hindi naman. Talaga napaka ano lang. I'm just thinking of practicality. Right? If you have dark eye bags, of course, dapat i-conceal nyo yan to brighten the eye area because it will make your look fresher and more natural, and you look younger when we conceal the eye bags, diba? Next, magbe-bake po tayo. It's nice to always set your foundation kasi you don't like caking foundation under your eyes, right? Or on your face. So, to prevent the caking, let us set our concealer. Hindi talaga nakaka-fresh yan mga besh if medyo nagki-cake yung ating makeup, no? Ayan. Yeah. Actually, baking is one of my favorite parts talaga. When I learned how to put makeup when I was maybe in college, well, hindi pa uso yung mga ganito, besh, no? Tapos feeling mo ang ganda-ganda mo na. Ngayon naman, mas bumongga na ang mga pa-style, mga makeup techniques. Nakakatuwa din. While baking, we will do our eyebrows. make this your eyebrows. And then we'll do the other kilay. Okay, so we will do our eyes. If you don't want to put eyeshadow, wala namang problema dun, okay? Mas okay yon sa mga first timer kung hindi nyo lagyan ng eyeshadow. But for me, kasi second timer ako, gusto ko maglagay ng eyeshadow, but very, very light lang. Yung nakakapagpa-fresh talaga ng ating makeup look is our eyelashes. When our eyes are open, parang nagbabrighten siya, diba? At nakaka-fresh talaga yung look na yon. So we will be using an eyelash curler to curl our lashes. Tapos maglalagay tayo ng mascara para medyo mas mahaba at mas volumized ang ating eyelashes. Okay, and so before I put on my mascara, gusto kong i-dust off muna tong before, hindi ko talaga bet mag-mascara talaga. Kasi dati, kapag naglalagay ako ng mascara, okay lang. But naiinis ako kapag tinatanggal ko na siya kasi nagsismudge sa face. Hindi pa uso dati ang mga makeup remover na ang bilis-bilis nang mag-remove ng makeup. Dati, kapag nagre-remove ako and when you wake up in the morning, parang panda ka na kasi ang dark na ng eyes mo, ang itim-itim na ng mata mo kasi galing sa hindi mo natanggal ng mga mascara. So, ayaw ko talaga ang mascara dati. But now, binigyan ako ng friend ko ng MAC na mascara. Abay, besh, gustong-gusto ko ng mascara. Next, we will now put on our blush on. Actually, I'm not a fan of lip and cheek tints kasi hindi talaga ako marunong gumamit nun, honestly. I have a lip and cheek tint from Tony Moly and the first time I used it, parang hindi ko siya nabetan. Kaya hindi ko ginagamit and hindi na ako nag-risk to try another lip and cheek tint. Kahit may mga review and I know na maganda yung mga reviews. But, wala. Hindi ako nagpapadala sa mga review muna as of the moment. So, I will be using my ever reliable contour and cheek highlight and contour palette from BYS. So, we will also put some on our nose para parang sun-kissed or galing kang beach, ganon. Ganon ang peg natin for this fresh and natural makeup look. So for our lipstick, and a lip balm will do for your fresh and natural look. If it's tinted, it's much better. If you're going for lipsticks, you can use nudes or pinks, but not too striking na mga colors. But that's just for me, ha? Yeah. Para fresh ang iyong look, diba? So, I'll be using this Human Nature tinted lip balm in Flame Tree. We will be finishing our look with some highlighter. Let's put this highlighter on the high points of our faces. So, if you still want to improve this look, kasi malapad talaga ang aking noo, pwede nating i-contour yan using the same palette from BYS. And also, kung may mga pangaka like me, look at that. I-contour mo din yan, girl. And I will just finalize this look and I'll be back.
A few moments later.
Actually, hindi ako talaga marunong aura-aura, guys. Aura-aura time. So, there you have it, guys. May pa-change outfit pa si Ate Queenie, diba? Thank you guys for watching and see you tomorrow! Bye! Where is it? Saan na? Saan na? Baking powder? Wait, where? Di mo na wala, doy. Hindi ready, tita.